Oh, look at him.
Honey, what's he running for?
He saw his friend. Wow, look at his little beak straight down. I think he must use that to ram.
He doesn't look like very good. He's running like that. It's like, oh, honey. Did it make it too much?